Humans are great at saving things. We save money, save seats, save The Last Dance, and we almost saved a lot of time when we invented robots. But then Facebook happened. Still, overall, pretty great at saving things. You know what we're not great at saving? Leftovers. But to be fair, we don't have great options. Option 1, the baggie. Our way of telling nature, hey, screw you. The average family can go through 2,000 of these a year. And the average fish is dead because you killed him with 2,000 plastic baggies. If you've ever defused a bomb or used one of these to store something liquid, you know what true fear is. No.
Dad, it's dripping everywhere.
Go get the dog. Option 2, plastic containers. And with them, lids. Lids that somehow multiply like teenage plastic rabbits. But you know what doesn't multiply? The one that fits the stupid container. Point is, it's hard to be good at saving things when your choices are disposable plastic garbage or impossible matching games. But now, saving is about to get simple. Introducing zip-top containers. The world's first 100% platinum silicone, reusable, heatable, dishwashable, zippable containers. Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the zip-top was designed with the environment in mind. One zip-top can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the zip-top containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is mine. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the zip-top can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of zip-top containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Zip-top is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The zip-tops are fine. Easy. And because it's 100% platinum silicone, it won't leach harmful chemicals like plastics can. But maybe you're saying, hey, I like leached chemicals in my food. This product is not for you. Also, please see a doctor. And if storing your food perfectly wasn't enough, zip-tops are great for taking meals or snacks on the go. With 8 different shapes and sizes, zip-top containers can be used anywhere, even your car's cup holder. They're great for more than just holding food, too. Get weird with it. We won't judge. We love you. Need proof? Exhibit A.
Thanks, honey.
That's my sandwich. It was the last of the butter lettuce. It's time to leave the outdated options behind. Save the planet and save yourself with zip-top containers. Get yours today.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. Minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
The Buck Knives 110 Slim Pro is an advanced, thin, everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This modern take on the 110 Folding Hunter features upgraded materials and a sleek new look. The decreased weight and thickness make the Slim Pro perfect for everyday carry. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 110 have been replaced with strong and lightweight material. Available in 3 colors, black G10 weighing in at only 3.4 ounces, or OD green and brown micarta weighing only 3.1 ounces. The 3.75-inch S30V stainless steel clip point blade has a satin finish and locks back for safety. Use the thumb stud for easy one-hand opening. The newly redesigned reversible and removable pocket clip allows for deep pocket carry. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 110 Slim Pro.